welcome to BetaLoader episode 5. Today I am on Mac, and today I'm going to be reviewing, or basically showing you what I think is better, Bing or Google. Most of Bing and Google have a lot of the same features, and I'm going to be reviewing those today. So let's start with Google. I'm just going to show you everything Google offers. So we have the main ones, web search. We're not going to count programs like Chrome or Toolbar. Those are extras. We're counting the online options. So web search, Google Play, okay, YouTube, books, Picasa, we have Google Earth, Google Maps, Google Docs, Calendar, Talk, Voice, Site, Gmail, Google Plus, Blogger, Ochre, Finance, all the specialized search, and we also have Google APIs and stuff. So there's a lot of Google, and let's see what Bing has. So Explore, which is your basically more tab here. We have web, images, videos, shopping, travel, local, maps, news, entertainment, social, rewards, editor's picks, translator, weather, finance, search history, events, math, recipes, dictionary, music, TV, video games, online games, movies, audio, set defaults. So this is more what you can search on the internet. So let's head back to the Bing. And what we're going to see is there's no more tab. We have images, videos, shopping, news, maps, travel, and all that. But Bing is also Windows Live. So I just need to sign out. So I've signed out, and now we're going to sign up for a new Windows Live account. So it's going to load, and we're going to make it on Live because I like that better. We're going to make it, let's see, BetaLoader episode 5. Okay, password. Okay, phone number we are not going to put in. Alternate email. Okay. Okay. Make it loader. Beta. Okay. It doesn't. Okay. Okay, let's do this. I don't know if that's a zip code. Okay, like that. Random birthday. We'll be real old. Okay. Okay. Alright, accept. And it's going to start working. So as you can see, sign up for Windows Live is pretty simple. Now while that's working, we're gonna go make a Gmail. Okay, create an account. Okay, so oh my god. Excuse me. What the heck? Okay, we're not going to create a Google Plus. Okay, and here we are in Windows Live and Gmail. So I want to make these two together. Okay, so in Windows Live, as you can see, we've got a open page here for like your start page. We do have ads, that's one thing you notice. You do see ads here, but your ads are very small, so it's not really a big deal, and they're also customized here. So that's one thing. These are customized to suit you. But let's go back to Windows Live. Let's go to the inbox. You can see it's pretty much the same. You know, you've got your inbox, junk draft, sent, all of that good stuff. With Windows Live, however, you can also connect Facebook, MySpace, LinkedIn, and a lot more actually. There are a lot. So these are pretty much the same as far as email goes, so I'm not really going to go into that. So we have with Google Documents, and this we have SkyDrive, which includes Microsoft Word, Web App, which is our Google Documents essentially. So I'm going to create a new one of those, and Google Drive. 5 gigabytes is free with Google Drive. We have 7 gigabytes free with SkyDrive. It's an extra 2 gigs, so you know. And if you're an old user of SkyDrive, you get 25 gigs if you claim it now, which I did on my Windows Live. So you can get that. Now you can install Google Drive on your computer, so we're going to do that really quick. I'm not going to show you because you don't need to see this. So I installed Google Drive. So I'm going to launch that. And it shall open somewhere. Okay. We're going to do that. And here we are, Google Drive. So we need to sign in. Sign out and sign in as a different user. BetaLoader episode. Whoa. I'm terrible at typing. Okay. Password. Okay. And so it's going to create a special folder on your computer. Okay. So it's going to do on the web as well. So you'll notice I've already made a document on Windows Live. Okay. I've already done that. Alright. So here's our Google Drive folder. And I guess we can just place whatever we want in there. So I'm assuming if we go into our home, we're going to see a Google Drive. Yeah, Google Drive. And yeah, so you can just drop files in here, I guess, and they will sync to all your devices if you have an Android phone, probably more. Sync complete, pause, 05 shows you this. Quit Google Drive, open your folder. Okay, buy more storage, let's see what that is. Because you can definitely buy more. I think it's up to like 50 gigabytes on Windows Live. So you can buy up to 100 here. Oh, you can even get up to 16 terabytes if you really need it. Okay. So that's a plus. Alright, anyway. So now that we have that done, we're going to go back to Google Drive and we're going to finally click Create Document. So I'm going to say speed is the essence here. Won't even let me type. Let's try here. Speed is in the essence here. Look at that. Okay, I'm sure I could. Yeah. Speed is in the essence here. Okay. So it's pretty much the same typing-wise, but it's a lot harder to set up your first document here. This operates more like Word than anything. This is kind of hard to get used to. You know, it's kind of difficult. You can choose your fonts, sizes. That's pretty simple. Bold, underline. center. The formatting doesn't really work well in Google Docs, I find, but let's, we are going to try formatting the font. Just make something like that. So you have a more page layout view here in Google Docs, and rename it. It's kind of weird, but just name it sample file. It's kind of weird. Over here, you would actually go to save. And, there's no way to name the file. So we're going to close the document, and we're going to see document 1. And if you right click, you can rename it here. I think there's probably another way to do it, but that's just an easy way to do it if you need to rename a document. Speed is in the essence here. Edit in browser, so we can edit right in browser. It's got all the Word formatting stuff. It's basically just an online version of Microsoft Word, which is great. Let's see how we're doing on time. Ooh, okay, this might be 2 parts. So I'm going to sort of wrap this up here. So as you can see, both of the word processing programs, I butchered that, didn't I? They work very well. Yep, word processing. So as you can see, the bullet is over here now, and that doesn't really seem to be able to be changed, so solid. Yeah, it's kind of weird. You can't get the bullet right next to your text, it would appear in Word Web App. But you can in Google Docs. And then we'll get rid of the email for now. So obviously everything's pretty self-explanatory, but it is it's different. This has more of a file menu, while this has the ribbon. You can rearrange, I think. Maybe? No, you can't. But you can even insert clip art here. So if I want to search face, you get all of clip art here, which is sort of like amazing. To me, if I was going to design something, you can really just insert pictures in, and it seems to me sort of handy, to be able to put a picture in to your presentation or your document right here, rather than going to insert image and having to upload from your computer. And you can do by URL by going to Office Clip Art, but that's a plus of Word Web App. Also, so one thing we have covered is that it takes a lot longer to set up Google Drive than it does to set up Windows Live. I got started making this document a lot faster than I did on Google Docs. So I'm going to wrap this episode up for here. It's going to be a couple parts, maybe 2 or 3. I'm going to continue recording right after this. But this is the first part, and that'll be it. And you can get all the info in the description. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you on the next episode.